Hello, welcome to my channel. This week's video is all about fixing the restrainer on your door. These things, normally the pins on the restrainers get all rusted and you need to lubricate and work it loose. Firstly, remove the mirror. It just makes it a lot easier for moving the door around when you're busy working on it, when it's off the van. Also, just make sure taking the screws out before you take all of them out. Either cut the speaker wire or unplug the wires from the speaker, otherwise it's going to be a bit of a slip when you try and take the door. Removing the door is not that easy by yourself. It definitely helps to have a helping hand. This arm, there's a spring that pulls on this arm, and this hinge pin needs lubricant, so you need to put some lubricant in there. Spray lots of lubricant in, and then wiggle the arm until it gets loose. Just keep on going until it's completely loose. You can refit the spring, and then you'll feel that there will be friction again with the door locking on the different positions. One door done, now the other door, and then the last job, just reconnect the wires. In my case, I had to resolder them, slip some heat shrink sleeving on it, job done. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And just got out the swimming pool. A bit hot here today in Natal. The pool water is even lukewarm, and it's load shedding. One of the pleasures in living in South Africa. Well, next time you watch next week, you should see a bit of my traveling. I'm starting next week to go down the south coast just to see what it's all about and what the service is like. Then I know for future, when I do go down that way again, where I can stop over. So join me again next week. Have some fun down by the coast, and hopefully lots of paint by light, and who knows, we might be able to do some night photography. See what the stars are doing. All the best. See you next time. Cheers.